Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your device OS supports screen recording, and you have 200 MB free. Once done, open the official App Store. This is the only safe way to get a recorder. Search for the system recorder or a reputable app with high ratings. Make sure Wi-Fi downloads are enabled and power saver is off so the install proceeds without interruptions. You want a verified app to ensure microphone and system audio will be allowed later. You install the chosen recorder and open it to configure core settings. First, grant storage and microphone permissions. Without them, recordings will fail. Next, set resolution and frame rate. 1080p at 30 FPS balances quality and file size. Then pick audio sources, microphone for voiceovers, system audio for app sounds, or both if supported. Make sure to set a save folder on internal storage and toggle overlays if you need on-screen controls. Once configured, run a quick test clip. You begin recording using the app's shortcut, overlay, or notification button. Speak and interact normally, then stop when finished. After stopping, trim unwanted parts, save, and export to MP4 or share directly to cloud storage. If recording doesn't start, first make sure permissions were granted and the app isn't blocked by battery optimization. If system audio is missing, enable audio capture in settings or update the OS. If problems persist, reinstall the app or switch to the device's built-in recorder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.